Welcome to the Park MGM. We're so excited to be staying here for the first time. We visited this hotel because it's non-smoking before, but this is the first time we've actually staying in this hotel. And I would have to say we have a really great view of T-Mobile Arena, Allegiant Stadium, and some parts of the Strip. But welcome to the room. This is super nice and it's huge. We have a TV over here, a full-length mirror. We also have the bed, and I love all the colors in here. It just feels so organic and like just way more trendy than some of the old strip hotels. It just looks really, really nice. And of course, if you follow me in here, we have the closet with the door that just slides this way, which then gives you access to the bathroom. Come on in. It's really nice. They have a little amenity, so in case you forgot shaving or toothbrush, they have that, which is really nice. Huge mirror, also a little makeup mirror for you. And then if you come in a little bit closer, you can see the really cool shower. I love the green tile they went with. And then they got some towels, hair dryer, body lotion. We're really excited to see what adventures are in store for us on this upcoming Vegas trip.